Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you what I'm doing for week 1 of the fall 2018 One Room Challenge. So this season I'm taking part in the One Room Challenge again. I skipped spring this year, but I've done 4 previous One Room Challenges. In case you've never heard about this is a challenge put on by Linda at Calling It Home. I will leave her blog in the description box below. And basically she presents this challenge every spring and fall for the last several years. And some interior designers take part, as well as usually hundreds of guest bloggers. So I'm gonna be one of those guest bloggers this season again. And today I just wanted to share with you which room I'm making over this time over the course of the 6 weeks of this challenge, and a mood board of what I have planned. So like I said, I've done 4 of these challenges in the past. So the first one was spring 2016. I made over Little C's bedroom into a shabby chic bedroom. And then in the fall of 2016, we made over our master bedroom into a modern French country bedroom. This is probably one of my favorite rooms I've ever done, and we still love it. And then the third One Room Challenge I did was spring of 2017. We made over our front room into a dining room in kind of a boho farmhouse style. Then the fourth One Room Challenge I did was actually at my mom and dad's lake house, and I made over their master bedroom into a beautiful traditional lake house master bedroom. So those are the 4 rooms I've made over previously in the One Room Challenge, and bedroom is definitely a common theme in all of those. So guess what? This time I am making over another bedroom. This time it is my daughter Little A's bedroom. She is going to be 7 in November, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to make over her room just in time for her 7th birthday. The bedroom is already really cute. I still love it. However, I designed this room when she was only 18 months old when we first moved into our newly built home, and her personality is totally different than what I expected. So this room is just really sweet and cute with lots of pastel colors and fairly, babyish little accessories. And she's turning into such a character. She loves really rich colors. She loves black. She loves gold. She loves really glamorous things. She likes velvets. And so this room just doesn't really suit her anymore, and I thought it was time for a refresh. So what we're going to do in this space is put together what I'm going to call a rich and magical girl's bedroom design. So we're going to do a rich and dark feature wall in a really deep teal color, even deeper than the sweater color. She loves that color. And then the rest of the walls are going to be more of a minty tone. We're going to make a DIY bed frame for her out of a vintage screen that I have to give her room a little bit of a boho look. We're going to use a lot of accessories that I already have on hand, and I'm going to upcycle them or paint them so that they match Little A's style. I have minimal sponsors for this makeover, but I think that's going to be great because it's always fun to put together a look on the budget for myself and also for you guys, so that you don't have to spend a lot of money to make a room look beautiful. Another thing that I'm looking forward to doing in this room is I'm going to make a semi-built-in window seat for Little A on her window wall. So just using pre-built shelves and trimming them out and making just a place for Little A to store all of her clothes and toys and just to sit and relax and read books. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this done over the course of the next 6 weeks. The reveal of these rooms is supposed to be on November 8th, so I have to get this room done by then. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this idea, of this mood board, of this built-in window seat idea, and what you think of doing everything on a budget. I would love to hear what you think of this idea, and also if you think I can get it done over the course of 6 weeks. And make sure to follow along here weekly. I'm going to be sharing updates on this room makeover every week and just taking you along with me as I do it. And then the final reveal of the room will be on November 7th or November 8th. So I'm totally excited to take you along with me on this makeover. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the end. And most importantly, I cannot wait to see the look on Little A's face when she sees the room all finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. And I'll see you guys all again in the next video. Bye.